This is Math Lesson 5.7, Choose an Operation. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to say, I can choose when to add or subtract to solve a problem. Let's read the problem. It says, Benedict has 17 balloons. He has 6 yellow and the rest are red. How many red balloons does he have? So I can draw a picture of this, and I know he has 6 yellow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he has 6 yellow, the rest are red. So I'm going to count up from 6 and keep going until I get to 17. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, so I know that would be my picture. So if I wanted to label my picture, I would say that he has yellow balloons. So I'll put Y for yellow and R for red. So now I need a number sentence that goes with the problem. So the number sentence usually indicates, if I read the number sentence and write the numbers as I see them, that's going to tell me if I'm going to add or subtract. So it says he had 17 balloons. So I'm going to start with 17. So I know he doesn't have any more than 17. And then it says he has 6 yellow. So I know that my answer is going to be 17 equals. So this is my whole because he cannot have any more than that 17. And he has 6 yellow. So these are my 6 yellow here. So I'll write that 6 yellow and the rest are red. So usually when I see the word and, it's a plus sign. Usually, not all the time. And so the rest is the question mark that we're trying to figure out. That would be my plus sign. Okay? So this is what we're trying to figure out for our addition sentence. And if you look, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So he has 11 red balloons. So now we have to answer that. Sorry about that. How many red balloons does he have? He has 11 red balloons. And we always need to answer our problem. Let's go to the next one. Let's read it. It says, Asher sees 7 horses. Emiliano sees 8 more horses than Asher. How many horses does Emiliano see? So first of all, when I'm looking at this problem, I can draw a picture, and sometimes a picture helps me figure it out. So I'm going to label my picture. I know that Asher sees the horses, and I know that Emiliano sees horses. So I'm going to put an A for Asher and an E for Emiliano. And then I'm going to draw, or I'm going to get my counters, the number of horses that they see. And today I'm going to draw it. So Asher sees 7 horses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And Emiliano sees 8 more horses than Asher. So he sees Asher's 7. So he sees 7 that Asher sees. But now, so these are the ones that they both see 7. But now Emiliano sees more. He sees 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more. So it's asking, how many horses does Emiliano see? So he sees the 7 that Asher sees, and he sees 8 more horses. So see these 8 right here? We don't have matches for them because those are the ones that are more that he sees. So if I were to write a number sentence for Emiliano, he sees the 7 horses that Asher sees, plus he sees 8 more horses than Asher sees, and that's going to equal, well, our answer is what Emiliano sees, not what Asher sees. So he sees the 7 that Asher does, and then 8 more. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So he sees 15 horses. So how many horses does he see? 15 horses. All right, let's go to the next problem. It says, Alana has 9 red apples. She has 4 fewer yellow apples than red. How many apples does she have? So I know that she has red apples, so I'm going to put R for red, and she has yellow apples. I'm going to put Y for yellow. And I could draw a picture by doing circles, or I can take my counters. So she has 9 red apples. So I'm going to put 9 up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I know it says she has 4 fewer yellow apples. So I know that 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are going to be my extras. So I'm going to put my yellow apples up. 1, and I'm going to match them up. 2, so those 2 match up. That one matches up. That matches up. And that matches up. So I can match them up, and these are the ones that they have the same of. And I know for these ones, this is, she does not have one for this, or this one, or this one, or this one. So this is the fewer. So she has 1, 2, 3, 4 fewer. So let's write a number sentence. Alana has 9 red apples. So I know 9 is the most that she has. It's the bigger number. So I'm going to start with 9. And when it says, how many apples does she have? We're not comparing them anymore. We just know that she has 9 red ones, and she would have 4 fewer red apples, yellow apples, and red. So a number sentence to figure this out is, first I have to figure out how many yellow apples she has. So she has 9 red apples minus the 4 fewer equals 5. So this is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So she has 5 yellow now. So now in order to figure out how many apples she has, we have to add the red and the yellow together. So she has 9 red apples plus 5 yellow apples equals, well, if I have to do this, I'm going to make a 10 with the 9, so I need 1 here, and then 4. So we made a 10. So now I have 10 plus 4 is 14. So there are 14 apples. Awesome job learning today.